mother.
Hello, Huckleberg residents. Hello? Who is this? I'm in a fanatic. I hear heavy...
A defect. Go play, Victor. No.
I'm coming for you, defect!
I'm in a fanatic. I hear heavy breathing and chewing. That's it. I'm calling the police.
Does anyone else feel like texting? Show of hands. Anyone? Very well.
Bring me the captain's head. I'll take yours as a replacement.
Wilhelm! You're supposed to understand how they think. How did you not see this coming? And Victor. Do you know how many candidates you beat out for your position? I could have hired the Ziesel brothers.
Bring it on.
Too many of them.
Hold steady, Rangers. Prepare to die, galactic losers!
How do you destroy a team of heroes?
Oh! Well, lots of ways, really. Chains, knives, guns, an enormous rock. Rock. You got to be kidding me! Get out! Don't move. I'm listening.
Captain Quark, I've been watching you these past few days.
Nothing to be alarmed about.
Defect!
Oh my.
I am coming for you, defect!
I believe we may have a problem.
Rangers are retreating, sir.
Brilliant.
Get me a holoscan of that ship.
Right away, sir.
Well, looky. What have we here?
The defect. Where are you? Come out and fight!
You want to fight? I'll give you a fight!
No fear, right?
Yes. The one that got away.
Not this time.
Are you sure, Victor? He looks awfully dangerous.
Teleport me to the ship.
It's impossible, sir. It's shielded.
Just get me close. Die! Get back here! I'm gonna make you wish you were never created.
Thunder smack equipped.
My dear, sweet Victor, you were a wonderful friend and companion. Honest, loyal, rusty. I mean, really rusty. I could hear you all the way across the station.
Perhaps, but I am waterproof.
But still, we honor you with this silent moment of reflection as thanks for your sacrifice. You will be missed.